Hey, it's the last sail of 2021 for Cavu. It's a beautiful day to be sailing.
This is Patricia, and I'm Dave. During the summer of 2020, we traveled to French Polynesia for a sailing vacation. We had such a great time that we decided to buy a sailboat when we returned. Our new Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440 arrived in April of 2021. Watch as we outfit and upgrade Cavu, learn to sail first on the Texas coast, but eventually the world. In our past videos, we really haven't shown you a lot of our home docking situation. Here you can see us leaving the dock. We get docking assistance from the Marina. They're very helpful. The guys are really knowledgeable around the boats. But it's a narrow slip for our 14.2 beam on this Jeanneau. Our other issue is we still don't have a dinghy davit solution for the boat. And you can see Patricia running back here. All we do is we put the boat in the slip next to us, and she will grab the dinghy as we pull out. Having a 44-foot boat with a bowsprit in a 42-foot slip means the fairway is fairly narrow. Here, I have to put the boat in reverse just as soon as we clear the dock and hard on the bow thruster to get it to turn and point it out. Despite the physical limitations of the dock, we really do like the Marina. The boardwalk has amusements there. There's a ton of restaurants. We get preferential reservations through the Marina if we need them. And there's other bars and restaurants within walking distance. The Marina hosts contests every month, as well as the first Sunday of each month they do an omelet bar, which really enhances the community. Another one of the selling points was the Marina is the only marina outside of the bridge, so we don't have to go under the bridge, which has been under construction and will continue to be under construction for a number of years. With the construction, we've seen lane closures, we've seen the bridge totally closed, and we've also seen obstacles that some boats have gotten stuck on. So not having to deal with the bridge is a great bonus. And it also gets us out into the bay a lot quicker and gets us sailing more.
Sailing vessel Corbell, sailing vessel Corbell. Come in, sailing vessel Cavu, sailing vessel Cavu.
Hey, Cavu! They're calling us!
Sailing vessel Cornell, go ahead. 6-8. Selling vessel Cavu to Cornell.
Cavu.
You guys coming out?
Wow, we were looking for you.
Well, we're on our way to Redfish, probably about halfway there.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess we're not going to catch up to you then. Well, y'all have a wonderful trip, and I will stand by on 15.
All right, yeah, we're just sailing upwind, so we're getting our practice tacks in. But yeah, we're having a good time and good sail.
A beautiful day, and it's cool, and there's a nice little breeze, man. Y'all have a great time, and be safe.
I will see you back on the dock tomorrow. I got a cheesecake for us.
Sounds good. You got everything else, buddy.
All right, we'll see you.
13 knots right now, 2.8. Let's see how fast we're going. 5.9. And it's a little hazy out there. It's looks like a fog. The dinghy's in tow. Fins on the boat. Look at all those obstacles to get to Redfish. That's why we usually pull down the sails and cut on the motor right here and just motor up. But right now we are back here. We've been having the zigzag today, which is a lot of fun. So we get to do a lot of tacking. So yeah, we probably have another 30 minutes of sailing and then motor time. All right, we're anchored out. We made it. Ben's ready to go ashore, but we're still getting things ready.
Quick dinghy ride ashore, and we were ready to set up for our campfire on the beach.
Alright, so I got Dave this fire starter for Christmas, and I'm gonna attempt to start a fire because we forgot the flamethrower this time around. Alright, I don't even know how to do this. Like this?
You didn't read the instructions?
There was no instructions. There was absolutely no instructions on how. It said something about sparks. You're supposed to. Oh, there you go. We got some sparks. It's trying.
That's how it's supposed to work.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe that dryer stuff. I thought this was pretty dry though. Uh-oh.
You probably should.
Okay. Well, we now know why people Nick and Fred are so serious about their fires. This is hard. Eeh. Gonna have to be eating raw food. Raw food diet. Probably should have started with that. Oh shit. Oh shit. Quick, quick, quick.
We got fire!
Hey, got a fire going. Got Cavu anchored out over there. Got prime anchorage since we're the only boat at Redfish. Got the Swede beside me. And look how foggy it's getting. Hopefully we can find our way back to Cavu. We've never been out when it's been foggy like this. New experience. And here.
Oh, look at that one. That's a huge wave coming to us. Oh boy. Woo! Dang, look at that. Oh yeah, make sure our dinghy's not floating away. Wow. Okay, well that's what you get when you're on the little deserted island near the ship channel.
Sunset fail. Totally failing at this sunset on the island. It is getting really foggy. Fire's going good though. Redfish Island, and we can barely even see our boat. The fog is getting that dense. Sweetie, how are we gonna find our way back? Braille? Yeah, we're gonna need some braille. Good thing we got a good hold. I know our anchor isn't good, but man, oh my. It's like disappearing in front of our eyes. Dave,
don't see the boat anymore. Like, what are we gonna do there, I think?
We gotta find it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to find it. Hopefully we don't crash into it. Now, it was like right there. Where's the dinghy? The dinghy's still there. We can still see the dinghy.
There's Cavu's anchor light out there. We just need to go towards the light. Okay, so I'm up here about to pull up the anchor. I'm gonna be using the chain washer. Fortunately, we had to do an emergency anchor pickup this morning to get to deeper water, so we didn't clean it then, and I think I'm gonna have to go back in there at another date and time to clean out the mud again. So the fog's rolled in. We might have to motor a little bit very slowly. It looks like it's lifting a little bit by the shore, but still not ideal conditions. Yeah. Get into position here. I wonder if I should just be like this. You guys need to have a view of this disaster going on down here. Beep. There we go. Okay, ready when you are.
Pressure sprayer made quick work of cleaning up the anchor. The mud here in Galveston Bay is just super sticky. It's good for anchoring in, but it makes a horrible mess, and this solution seems to be working for us. Visibility was just over a mile. Luckily, Cavu is equipped with radar. We got outside the obstacle zone. We got the sails up, the skies cleared, and it was a great beam reach sail at 6.5 knots all the way back. A great end to 2021.